Hey everyone, in this video, you're gonna find out why you need to start making videos today and why it's gonna help you increase your income. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and share. It helps me grow as a creator and put out more content for you. Let's dive right in. Why do you need to start recording yourself today? Because all our personal interactions going forward are changing as we speak. We're in the middle of a pandemic. Everything and everyone has gone virtual, even my parents. If you know them, slam that like button. People are more likely to view your online profile before they meet with you. How do you want them to meet you? Via some post you shared from a coworker's page or a motivational quote you found online? Nothing wrong with either. I do both. But what does that say about you? Nothing. Other than you're a good coworker who's motivated and active on social. When you create a video and speak into the camera, you share your personality. This sends a message to the other person that you're trustworthy and approachable. A little pro tip, make sure that you're positive in your videos. Give off a positive impression of yourself. People want to meet positive people. They want to meet people that are going to bring them up and lift their spirits. So stay positive in those videos. You can tell them a story of who you are, where you're from, or why they should meet you. What's great about your company, how you've helped your clients, or just say hello. Welcoming them and familiarizing them with your voice and image and expressions. When you meet with them, their guard will be down. They'll be willing to share more. They'll feel a connection to you. I've been sharing videos on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok for years.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how was your day?
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I'm just in the middle of recording my video right now.
All right, love you.
Many of the relationships I've formed since March of 2020 came from my videos. It wasn't direct. More of like, I like what you're putting out there, Michael. We should meet up. Or I reach out to someone and they're more responsive to me because of my content. I've booked meetings, appointments, and even my current job because of my videos. Here we are. I'm in the car getting ready to get out for the appointment. Can't wait for this meeting. It's been a long time coming to meet with a client, a prospect like this. That's why I say it will increase your revenue. The more people who know who you are, what you're about, the more people you'll meet, connect with, network with, and the more deals you'll close, products you'll sell, or donations you'll receive. People do business with people. When they get to know you, they'll do business with you. So get out your phone, prop it up on some books, and record a greeting or product info or whatever you want. Just get started now. Email your videos to me at michael@michaelespositoinc.com and I'll help you with them. But first, give me some love. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 1,000 subs by June of 2021. If you sub right now, I'll show you a clip of my very first YouTube video. Go ahead, hit subscribe. This is my very first video, and my goal is to get a video out every day for the next 30 days. They'll be short and they'll be quick, but my very first goal is to get a video out on my YouTube channel for 30 days straight. Well, everyone, stay happy and stay healthy, and click on one of these thumbnails here that YouTube says is great for you. Bye. You look so cute. Look at you. What are you getting ready for ballet?
No, I was just going to look for you.
What did you think I was doing?